Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices in Outlook or Hotmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will load your inbox and give you access to all your email settings and account management features. After logging in, you'll land on your main email dashboard where you can see all your messages and folders. Now, to log out from all devices simultaneously, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which is typically represented by a circular image or your initials. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on View Account. This option is essential as it takes you to the deeper account settings where you can manage security and session controls. Clicking on this will open a new browser window that directs you to your Microsoft account settings page, so you might need to wait a moment while the page loads. Once the new window opens, you'll be on the overview page of your account settings. This page displays various information about your Microsoft account and gives you access to different management options. Now look for your Profile tab, which should display your profile image along with your email address listed directly below it. This section contains important account actions that affect your security across all devices. Within this Profile tab, you'll find a link that says Sign Out Everywhere. This is the key feature that allows you to remotely log out of all active sessions on every device where you're currently signed in. This is particularly useful if you've lost a device, suspect unauthorized access, or simply want to ensure your account is only accessible from devices you're actively using. Go ahead and click on this link. After clicking, a small confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This window will clearly state that you're about to be signed out of all sessions and devices where your account is currently active. This is Microsoft's way of making sure you understand the action you're taking, since it will immediately end all active sessions. To proceed and complete the logout process, click on the OK button. And that's it, you've successfully logged out from all devices in your Outlook or Hotmail account, ensuring that no unauthorized sessions remain active. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.